floating flower garden is a truly enchanting experience. You enter a room filled with thousands of real orchids hanging from the ceiling. As you walk through, the flowers magically rise up, creating an open space around you.
It feels like you are floating in a vibrant living garden with the sweet scent of orchids filling the air. The artwork constantly
Okay, how do we
changes
get out?
as people
How do we
move,
get out? Is the question.
making each visit
He said the exit's
unique
this way.
and
It's just flowers.
incredibly
It's just
beautiful.
flowers. What is he talking about? Exit. Oh my. Oh, there's a mirror. Oh, okay. I'm guessing. Let's go. Yep, I see the exit.